so much for returning or visiting my channel for the first time. I am Lauralee and I welcome you to Cooking with Lauralee. Today I will be sharing my Wagyu burger recipe. I made them for the first time since I was feeling pretty adventurous from trying a bison burger for the first time in my recent family vacation to New York. Make sure to check out my video too. I wanted to compare which one I would prefer. Let's see what I thought. I bought these burgers from Walmart, Marketside Butcher brand. When I bought it, I didn't realize this was Walmart's brand because I usually don't buy their meat, but I have to say that I was pretty impressed. According to the Marketside Butcher, Wagyu beef are due to their impeccable marbling and flavor. However, authentic Wagyu comes from Japanese beef cattle. Wa means Japanese and the gu means cow. Only 3 came out of packet at $1/4 pound. Price was $6.48. When I made my bison burger, I bought the ground bison and it was closer to $9 to a pound. Now, I know that Wagyu is a very expensive meat, and I knew that an American brand is not imported from Japan. Otherwise, I would have paid close to $65 for a A5 La Freda 1-pound Wagyu. To me, that is very expensive. And if you can afford it, just invite me over to dinner. Now, I have to say both meat were very tender and I didn't think they were going to hold themselves up on the grill. The Wagyu burger was fattier and juicier, so you may have to have your baking soda ready near your grill to avoid any grease fires. I did not expect the same with the bison burger since it was very lean. To me, the Wagyu burger had a stronger beefy smell, stronger than regular beef, but it was not displeasing. Now, the bison burger was a little bit different. It seemed as if it was a little sweeter, but also the smell was stronger than regular beef. Both bison and Wagyu burger were made with different ingredients, but I was still surprised at myself. I actually would prefer the Marketside bison over the Marketside Wagyu. There's no doubt that the Wagyu burger is very juicy, flavorful, and tender. If you want a fat, juicy burger, then look no further because Wagyu is the way to go. However, I prefer the bison not only because it's leaner and healthier, super juicy and tender, but the actual meat flavor was more intense without leaving that greasy or oily taste behind. When I made the bison burger, I just wanted to keep eating it, while the Wagyu burger left me with an oily taste afterwards. Please know that if both of these meats were premium cut meat, that the results will be very different. And I still would not know which one I would prefer. I would have to taste it to give you a true and honest opinion. So I hope this was helpful to you all. I encourage you to taste it for yourself since everyone's taste buds are different. Let me know which two you prefer. Also, let me know if you ever had authentic Japanese Wagyu and what you think of it. Here are more great videos to watch. I have a goal to get to 500 subscribers by the end of August. Help support me by sharing and subscribing. Thanks so much, and thank you for all your support.